If you wonder how to find out which devices are connected to a MikroTik router, you will find the answer in this video. I am going to show 3 different ways of getting MAC and IP addresses of the devices connected to the MikroTik router, using a terminal or a Winbox. It is up to you to decide which way of identifying the connected devices is the best. Show devices connected to MikroTik. To scan for the devices connected to the MikroTik router from the terminal, execute. To show the devices connected to the MikroTik router using Winbox, go to Tools, IP Scan and click on Start. In the example above I have left the Interface and Address Range fields empty to scan for the connected devices on all interfaces. If the MikroTik router works as a DHCP server, the connected devices can also be listed using the following command. Winbox, IP menu. DHCP server. Leases tab. Alternatively, you can get the connected devices by checking connections on a firewall. Winbox IP menu. Firewall. Connections tab. A MikroTik router's Wi-Fi password can be found in the Wireless menu of the Winbox interface. If you look for the Wi-Fi password there, you may see that it is hidden behind asterisks and it seems the only you can do is to change it. This short tip shows how to unhide the MikroTik router's Wi-Fi password in the Winbox interface, and how to display it through a command line interface. Show Wi-Fi password in MikroTik router. By default, the Wi-Fi password of the MikroTik router is hidden behind asterisks. To unhide the Wi-Fi password, simply click on Settings. Hide passwords. You can also show the MikroTik router's Wi-Fi password through a command line interface by running the export command with the show sensitive flag. When setting up a network device, there is always a chance to lose a communication with it due to applying an incorrect configuration. If you are far away from the device, this can be especially bad. Lucky owners of MikroTik routers can minimize such risks by using a safe mode feature. From this tip you will find out what is the MikroTik safe mode feature, how to use it and how to change the default timeout. Changes made to the MikroTik router after the safe mode is activated won't be saved unless you quit the safe mode manually. If the connection to the router is dropped unexpectedly, any changes that were made in the safe mode will be reverted within 10 minutes. By default. Winbox or web interface. To enter the safe mode in a Winbox, hit the safe mode button at the top left. The pressed safe mode button means that the MikroTik router is in the safe mode. To exit the safe mode, unpush the safe mode button. In a web interface, the safe mode can be enabled or disabled from the menu on the left. Command line interface. To enter the safe mode in a command line interface of the MikroTik router, press the Ctrl+X keyboard shortcut. To exit the safe mode and permanently save the changes, press the Ctrl+X keyboard shortcut once again. If you made a change that caused a disconnection of your session to the router, whatever changes were made in the safe mode, they will be rolled back within 10 minutes, which should let you get back into the router. The time to rollback depends on the generic timeout TCP connection setting. If you want the safe mode to roll back faster, you can temporarily decrease the generic timeout setting, for example, to 1 minute. Currently MikroTik keeps a history of up to 100 most recent actions. If more actions are executed while being in the safe mode, the changes couldn't be automatically undone. The best is to change the configuration by small chunks, enter the safe mode. Make a small change. Exit the safe mode to empty the action list. Enter the safe mode again, and so on. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Your support means a lot. Stay tuned for more exciting content. Until next time, take care.